Hi everyone, this is John from Civil Center. Welcome to our channel. As we know, Civil Center is continuously working with the vision to guide civil engineering students and professionals. And for that, we keep making videos on different software. So, what are we going to learn today? Today, we will learn how to use animation in SketchUp. So, I will just give you a demonstration first. So, I will go to the view and then click on animation and click on play. And you can see what animation I have created over here. So you can see I have created an animation of opening the door in a SketchUp model. And we will learn step by step how to do that. So without wasting the time, let's start. So I will guide you step by step how to create the animation for the door opening. So first of all, I will just select the door. Then I will use my rotation tool, and for that I am hitting Q on my keyboard. Then I will make a copy at 90 degree. Now I will make the multiple copies of this door. So let's say I am making 8 copies. So for that I am entering /8 and hit enter, and you can see I have 8 copies over here. Now what I need to do, I will just go to the entity info, and over here you can see tags. Okay, so previously we had layers in our SketchUp version, but now that has been renamed to tag. So you will have to look for which tag you want to mention over here, and if you are not finding any suitable tag, then you can always create a tag. So for that we have tags section over here. Then I will just click on add tag, and then I will create multiple tags. Now how many tags do I need? So I have over here 9 copies of the same door. One was the original one and I had made 8 more copies. So I will create 9 tags over here. Keep it in mind that I can use the existing tags also, but I am just showing you how to use the tags. That's why I am creating the new ones. Okay, so now I have the tags over here, and then I will go to the entity info. So first of all, I will just provide or assign the tag to the selected object. So I have selected this object and I had made it tag 1. Then I will select another object, that is another copy of the door, and assign it tag 2. Then another one and assign it tag 3. Similarly, I will assign tag names to all the other tags over here. So tag 4, so I have assigned names to all the tags over here. Now just to check, I will select the object and see whether it has been assigned with the correct name or not. And you can see while I am selecting this, the tag names is being changed over here. Now what I need to do, I need to go to the tags. So over here I have this tag first. So this is tag 9. So I will make this tag 9 visible and I will hide all other tags over here. So I have hidden all other tags. Now I will make it a scene. So for that I will go to view and click on animation, then click on add scene. So one scene has been added over here. Now I will make the tag 8 visible and others will remain invisible. Similarly, I will make the others visible and invisible in this sequence. So now that my scenes has been created over here, let's see what will the animation do. So I will go to view, go to animation and the settings, and I will make it 0.2 second. So hit 0.2 second over here. Now close it. go to the view again, animation, and then click on play. And you can see your door is opening and closing now. Now, if you want to save this animation, then that can also be done. How to do that? You will have to export this file. Now let's change the time again. So I will just stop it and go to animation, settings, and I will reduce the time. So let's make it 0.1 and let's see what's happening. So you can see this is way more smoother than the previous animation. So I will keep this time interval. Now, if you want to export this, then all you have to do is to go to File and then click on Export, then Animation, then you can rename it as Opening Doors or whatever you want and click on Export. Now this animation is being exported. I have saved it on the desktop, so I will just open up the MP4 file over here and you can see our door is opening here. So this way you can use the animation in SketchUp. If you want to learn more such tips and tricks of SketchUp, then you can visit our YouTube channel. And if you want to join our live online classes or you want to get the recorded session of our live online classes, then you can find a link in the description which will redirect you to this Google form. You have to just fill this Google form and our team will connect with you. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Thank you.